Hello everyone, myself Monisha Charya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the judgment given in dying declaration case, that is kerosene oil burn, which was the case law of Satpal versus State of Haryana 2021. What were the facts of this case? Satpal, who was the appellant of the case, and his wife Pooja Rani, who was the victim, or you can say disease of this case. One day, due to the ingoing issue between Satpal and his wife, he poured the kerosene on her wife Pooja during the argument and burned her. After this incident, 90% of the wife body is burned. She was admitted to the hospital in very critical condition, and doctor tried their best to revive her, and after some point doctor restored her in a condition in which she is capable to give declaration. So what is dying declaration? Section 32 clause 1 of Indian Evidence Act 1872 state about the dying declaration, that is a statement written or verbal or relevant facts made by person who is dead. It is a statement of a person who had died explaining the circumstances of his death. Dying declaration have the value in the Indian judiciary system, and court thinks that any statement given by the person who is at the point of dying is true because the dying person won't lie. In few cases, it is possible that on the basis of dying declaration only accused get convicted until and unless there is no contradiction with the facts given by that dying person and court does not have any reasonable doubt against the dying declaration statement. So what are the essentials of the dying declaration? Any person who is giving dying declaration can specify it by conveying orally, written, or by any conduct. Any conduct means you can use sign languages or anything. Cause of death. The person who is giving the dying declaration must mention the cause of the death in the statement. Circumstances of the death. She should give the reason and the circumstances because of which they are dying. Person who gave dying declaration must die. So in the above cases, doctor said the woman in the position of declaration where before dying she could give statement. So finally, at the end, judicial magistrate came to the hospital to record dying declaration of the victim. And in her dying declaration, victim mentioned about so many things and stated that her husband Satpal poured the kerosene oil on her and burned her alive. And because of that, she was burned up to 90%. And all the statement given by her is recorded by the judicial magistrate of first class. And Satpal filed the appeal against the dying declaration given to first class magistrate and stated that Pooja Rani gave such a statement just because her relatives were present in the hospital, and it means that under the pressure of the relatives she gave such a statement or declaration. So Supreme Court held that we will not ignore the dying declaration only on the basis of that her relatives were in hospital during that time period. So this is of no concern if her relatives were there or not. So we cannot misbelieve her dying declaration only on this ground. And finally, Supreme Court accept the dying declaration statement given by Pooja Rani, that was the victim. I hope you have understood this judgment. And for more such knowledge and information, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.